Alligator pepper means different things to different people. It is served along with kola nuts to guests for entertainment, as communion, and used for religious rites by diviners for invoking spirits. It is a common ingredient in pepper soup, a spicy delight in most parts of West Africa. But since antiquity, alligator pepper has been used in traditional medicines for the treatment of many diseases. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. The alligator pepper plant has both medicinal and nutritive values, and the extract of its seeds has been used as an antidote to dysentery and diarrhea. What is more, it is an effective herb for the treatment of snake bites. Alligator pepper, which is called names such as grains of paradise, atare in Yoruba, chita in Hausa, or Guinea pepper, is one seed individuals with diabetes might find very good in ensuring the regulations of their blood sugar, thus protecting them from complications of diseases such as blindness and limb amputation. I chew it in addition to cooking with it, though it's very hot and spicy. I once told a man to chew alligator pepper to increase his sperm count, but he declined to use alligator pepper because he said that it was used for fetish purposes. My goal is to discuss the benefits of alligator pepper, not their spiritual use. So watch this video until the end as you have a lot to learn. It is a worm expellant and a diuretic. It heals wounds and cures malaria. It is traditionally used for the treatment of fibroids, gastrointestinal disorders, and dermatological treatments. It also contains analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. It is a sperm booster and an aphrodisiac. In fact, it is a potent aphrodisiac. Let us discuss pregnant women and alligator pepper. Alligator pepper may have negative effects on pregnant women despite having several beneficial uses. One of the consequences is that during the first trimester, it could discontinue pregnancy. When an experiment was conducted on a group of pregnant female rats that ingested the alligator pepper, the effect was demonstrated while the control experiment was a set of other rats that did not eat it. A litter was not given birth by the first set of rats, while a litter was given birth by the second set. Lactating mothers must also keep away from Afromomum melegueta as it decreases production of prolactin, which is a hormone that increases milk production after delivery. Let us discuss its consumption purposes. Alligator pepper is a common spice that elderly and sometimes young people typically snack on. The alligator pepper is usually served along with kola nuts and peanut butter as part of the customary rituals in cultural meetings and events such as baby naming ceremonies, traditional weddings, burial ceremonies, city meetings, etc., for garnishing salads and for preparing various dishes such as pepper soup, stews, chicken and lard dishes, etc. Both the seeds and leaves can also be used. It enhances the dishes' hot, peppery, and pungent taste and makes them spicy. When frying, black pepper, paradise grains, pepper guineas, or black cardamom can be substituted for alligator pepper. Before adding to dishes, the seeds are normally grounded as they appear to be a little bit hard. In addition, alligator pepper is normally used by the beer industry to enhance and flavor alcoholic drinks such as gin, beer, wine, and ale. Let us discuss its cultural purposes. The Yoruba offer a little bit of it to their newborn as a welcome into the community. It is often used as a greeting between in-laws when they come together. The Igbo tribe use it for their naming ceremonies with kola, even presenting it to visitors as a greeting before giving them foods and drinks. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of benefits of alligator pepper. Please drop your comments below telling me how you have used alligator pepper in the past, and if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like and share. Let us discuss the advantages of alligator pepper. It helps treat asthma, possesses anti-inflammatory properties, is an outstanding aphrodisiac. It improves indigestion, body ache, dysentery, stimulant. For malaria prevention, the herbal medicine prepared with the leaf is used. Loss of weight. It also serves as an energy booster. It also helps increase sperm, heals gonorrhea, increases the immune system, heals postpartum bleeding, anti-cancer, heals tension in the muscles, heals arthritis. It also heals vomiting, heals flu or the common cold. It facilitates blood flow, reduces inflammation, health of the heart. At the cellular level, it also safeguards the body, removes harmful bacteria, and allows the growth of helpful bacteria. It detoxifies the body. It helps in treating depression. It even heals menstruation cramp. It has weight loss properties, so it helps to burn belly fat. Skin treatment. Conclusion: for every medication that helps a patient, it is also claimed to have a natural product that can produce the same result. This saying is better understood by no other group of people than the traditional Africans. Long before the dawn of modern medicine, where drugs developed in laboratories are common, and costly chemical or synthetic drugs regarded as the best for our bodies, our forebears have found natural substance for illnesses to stay fit and safe. Thank you for watching our video that explains the benefits of alligator pepper. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.